Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over serviceguru.io, the place that will give you landing pages and market you and give you a lot of exposure in all the search engines. So what exactly is a Service Guru? As you can see, it's a service professional network. So what does it do? Let's say I have a company and I do catering, for example. So I type catering, I choose this option, and I'm from Austin, so I put my zip code. It will find me Austin here. I click, it takes me to a local listing. So as you can see here, it says best local catering in Austin, Texas. It says here best local catering service in Austin, Texas. Welcome to Austin. Everything talking about Austin, Texas, right? So what does it give you? You can, number one, when you register to the site, you can put all the keywords that will relate to you. So if you don't do for wedding catering or you don't do social events or whatever it is, you can remove and you can add your own keywords. That's number one. Number two, when you put your phone number and logo and the company name and some slogan, so your logo, company name, and slogan will be here. Your company name will be here. The phone number here will be replaced to yours. Everywhere that all the call to actions will be replaced to yours. And then you're gonna have this landing page. Now, not only that you're getting this landing page, you're getting a landing page for all your counties. So let's say I'm in Travis County. So in Travis County, there is like 20 landing pages here. All these landing pages will be yours exclusively. So when somebody fill out this form, calling, everything will go to you. Okay? And the cost for all that is $105, and you pay that monthly. So if you break it down per landing page, you're basically paying 105 divided to 20, around $5 per landing page per month for that exposure. So it's another marketplace that will give you exposure, exclusivity. Nobody else can come in. You don't need to compete on leads. The cost is very cost effective. And you get another place to be marketed at. Now, if you go to Google, for example, and you type serviceguru.io, you can see we have 147,000 results. So that means that you're gonna be appearing a lot on the search engines. So if somebody comes, for example, and he types, let's say plumbing installation in Gibson, so he comes to the plumber in Gibson, Tennessee. So, and then everything will be local, talking about plumbing. And again, you put your keywords here that will match your business, and it will give you all the keywords, depends on your county. If your county have a lot of cities, you will get a lot of cities here. Beside all that, you get a portal. So the portal, let me show you guys. If I go here, when I gonna register, I'm gonna have my own portal, so I can see how many leads were generated, how many page impression, total payment I got. And I can from here see all the leads. I can see my calendar. I can schedule appointments. So if for tomorrow I want to schedule an appointment, I can click here and do a meeting or reminder for myself. I can see my projects that coming up. I can see the badge. I can download the badge and use it for my car or for my storefront. I can refer a customer to another guru and get paid. So you can do that. And if you have forum questions and answers, so people can ask questions, you can answer them that relates to your business. You can change your profile, put your logo here and put your credentials. So it's pretty cool. Again, you can do estimates as well from here. So if I want, for example, working on this lead, I saw the property, I want to give him a quote. So I can come here and I can create an estimate with my logo, with my company name, and I can just add line items, and I have a total here, and I can save and send the offer to the client. So it's pretty cool. It will save you money as well on buying a software. So if you're a small business, you don't have a software for estimating, invoicing, stuff like that, you can do it with our software, with Service Guru. So you get all in one. Again, it's only $5 per landing page per month. You get a lot of exposure on the search engines, and we help you to promote your business so you get enough leads so it will pay for itself. As well as if you don't have a website, you don't need to worry. Now you have Service Guru. You're gonna have the landing pages with your name, with your phone number. So that will be your website. You can just advertise that URL and it will work for you exactly like a website. And if you do have a website, so now you have much more exposure. So now you're not only targeting one city in your website, you have all the landing pages of every small city that exists in that county that you service. So you can actually reach much more customers because we are targeting each and every small city in the county that you service or counties. Okay guys, so check it out. It's called serviceguru.io, the best platform for network professionals, for service professionals, and see you there. Register while you can, because if somebody takes your niche in your county, you won't be able to register. First come, first served. Have a blessed day guys. See you soon and see you in the next video. Bye for now.